Howdy folks, welcome. It's Kevin McClenahan here in San Diego at kevinmcclenahan.com with another review. Today we're looking at Magick Funnels. It's a plug and play app for instant automated daily commissions and recurring income. One-click funnels for instant buyer traffic, more sales and commissions for you folks. Generate at least $250 a day by following the newbie-friendly training. Zero monthly fees and overhead costs. Free traffic included inside the app, 100% done for you profit funnels, list building on steroids. Let's take a look. If that sounds like something that you're interested in, then stay with me. We're going to do a deep dive into the product. Okay, let me shrink my head down a little bit so we can get a look inside here. Okay, so the dashboard, here's the dashboard inside. Okay, there's plenty of training. Let's take a look at that training module. Welcome to Magick Funnels. Watch the following tutorials. Here's an overview, how to set up the done-for-you campaigns, autoresponder setup. Now I have Aweber, but there's integrations. We'll see this next button here. There's integrations with all the major autoresponders. How to create your own campaigns for any products. So you don't just have to set up campaigns for their products. There's an option on here to set up your own campaigns in an unlimited way. And we'll go over those in the OTO offers. Here it is, how to connect your autoresponder, how to add additional affiliate products to the download page, using the upgrades, conversion boosting, the bonus builder, that's pretty intriguing. We'll get at what our options are. Traffic strategies, that's always an issue, right? And just how to monetize these ideas, okay? Multiple different types of traffic strategies, 4 completely different sources. Bonus content, additional bonuses, and let's take a look at autoresponders. All the major integrations, right? GetResponse, Aweber, MailChimp. I like Aweber. They kind of insist on a double opt-in until you've got some track record, but I like that because then you end up with good quality buyers list, right? You want to qualify those buyers, and this helps to qualify the buyers until you get quality buyers that tend to stay with you. Now, you don't need a huge list of thousands and thousands of people, right? What you do want is a small list of dedicated buyers, and double opt-in really helps you out, okay? Just in case you don't know about that. ConvertKit, Constant Contact, Sendio. I've got Sendio, ConvertKit, and Aweber, and they're all equally easy to use, okay? Affiliate products. Okay, so here are preloaded affiliate products, right? And you'll probably recognize some of these, okay? Perpetual Income 365, Video Market Blaster. Now, these are popular niches that tend to convert very highly. So, if you're wondering, well, I don't understand, what is this, why are these products, Thumbnail Blaster, why are these products on the list? Well, they just tend to convert very high, right? These are proven sellers. They have a track record, right? So plenty of campaigns of done-for-you funnels. Scribble will recognize, videos we recognize, Video Market Blaster we recognize, ClickBank University. So these should all be fairly familiar to you, right? Affiliate bots. Okay, and so then new campaigns. You can set up unlimited products on any new campaigns that you choose, depending on the upsells that you select. Okay, so here we go. These all come with opt-in pages, promotional pages, thank you pages, right? In between the promotional and the download pages, a thank you page, and then download pages, okay? So I don't know, these funnels are pretty stacked, right? So you get plenty of meaty funnels here. Okay, so here are done for you campaigns. And I mean, I can see just one here, but they'll be loading more done for you campaigns in the future, okay? So don't worry about that. Resellers' rights. The last OTO is reseller right. We'll go over that. Bonus builder. I'm pretty excited about this bonus builder. The bonus builder because I spend about $170 a year on Commission Gorilla, and I really like that. But for you folks that don't want to pick up that tab, it's great to have a built-in bonus builder app in your in the funnel building software, which is really great. Okay, so let's take a look-see at, okay, speaking of bonuses, let's take a look inside here, check out my bonuses. I'm always thinking, what's the next thing now? Once I've got this Click Magic set up, what is the next thing, right? We want to set up some campaigns. we want to start monetizing, we want to run some traffic, right? And we want to send out multiple offers. Okay, so after we do that, what's the next level? And I always like to answer that question with my bonuses. So I've got some special bonuses below, and at any time during the review, you can just click on the buy button below. Just a reminder, the offer runs from the 15th until the 22nd of April, okay? So at midnight East Coast time on the 22nd of April, all of these bonuses come down. They all expire, okay? So at any point, you can just click on any of these buttons and it'll send you right through to the sales page, okay? Get started now. Click here to get started now. Now, the other benefit that I think I failed to mention is unlimited hosting, all right? So these funnels come with unlimited hosting, which is awesome, okay? Plug and play app for instant automated daily commissions and recurring income. One-click funnels for instant buyer traffic. Generate at least $250 a day by following the newbie-friendly system. 0 monthly fees. I love that. Free traffic included inside the app. 100% done for you profit funnels. List building on steroids. Love that. Okay, so we'll come take a look at the OTOs in just a second. But let's scroll down and take a look at my bonuses. Okay, 0-hour workdays. This product here is all focused on getting bigger commission sales. Okay, larger commission sales. Tons of insights and ideas about traffic, free traffic, buying traffic, trading traffic. There's a special unit I like in there called 5-minute promotions, a unit on social sharing, and then there's another unit that focuses on lead capture, okay? So once you start building funnels and you send traffic to them and you start to test and see what's working, this particular product right here, this bonus right here that I'm giving you, it really helps you kind of start to look outside the box and be creative with your promotions. Okay, so that's bonus number 1. Bonus number 2, El Bandito. El Bandito helps you in finding 100% commission affiliate offers. Okay, so normal commission for affiliate sales is 50%. And so what El Bandito does is there's a unit that helps you specifically focus on finding 100% commission affiliate offers. Okay, so a bridge page really helps you focus on the transition from the landing page to the sales page, okay? And helps to warm up the sale even more. Okay, El Bandito also helps you to clean up affiliate links, talks about tracking, talks about sales loops and retargeting, and forum marketing like Quora, SEO, and there's a Reddit traffic hack that I love. So check out bonus number 2. And here's bonus number 3, the lost code. Learn how to sell high ticket. Learn simple little promotional hacks that lead to big paydays. An introduction to webinars, right? So if you've ever considered doing your own webinars, that will help you. I mean, typically when you sell a high ticket item, typically and historically what we've seen is webinars really help you to warm up an audience. They get a chance to know you, right? So there's a unit in the lost code that talks all about setting up your own webinars, all right? And again, traffic sources. They review 3 different traffic sources, some traffic sources that were, and then there's a super helpful list building hack that I wanted to share with you. Okay, so that's the lost code. All right, and then the last thing is access to all the vendor bonus. And what Glenn has done is he has really gone above and beyond and given us 15 different bonuses. And so it's just awesome what he's done for us here. And, we didn't expect that, but he's thrown those in. So beautiful. So at any time during this presentation, you can, again, just click on the links below, click here to get started now, all right, on my links, and it'll take you through to those special bonuses, all right? Okay, let's check out the funnel here, the front end offer and all of the upsells. So the front end is $17.97 to $37.97, depending on when you pick it up. So don't wait, right? So the early days of the launch, it's much less expensive. There's 14 done for you funnels. Each funnel includes a premium lead magnet, slick opt-in pages, professional thank you page that delivers your giveaway, and instant monetization with a highly targeted upgrade offer, okay? And you'll see when you get inside there are these one-page offers that are just awesome. So if you've seen the product Sam Cart before, it's very similar to that. It's just a one-page offer, which is awesome. And they're super high converting. Okay, OTO1 is unlimited funnels, okay? And I picked that up immediately, right? And OTO2, done for you funnels. If you're an experienced marketer, you don't necessarily need that. But if you want to get set up and running in a hurry, anything, if you've heard my reviews before, anything that is done for you funnels that's less than $100, I just scoop that up right away. Okay, so you got $47 and a $37 downsell. Okay, additional done for you funnels in various proven niches. So even if you don't have any idea where to start, right, with additional funnels or ideas, additional niches, so these done for you funnels, they are proven to be high volume, in demand, and high converting funnels. OTO3, Magic traffic source, right? It's $97 with a $47 downsell. Automatic traffic flow, if you want to send an initial burst of traffic to your funnels, this is an instant traffic solution, okay? OTO4, 100x tools, it's $67 with a $47 downsell. Conversion boosting tools, $67, designed to get you more likes and engagement and conversion on your pages, okay? So there's a big Facebook section in there with Facebook pixels, and it teaches you how to do it and everything, which is beautiful. Okay, so OTO5, I think this was the biggest thing for me, right? And I did spend a fair amount of time looking at it and tinkering with it because, like I said, I spend about $170 a year on Commission Gorilla. The bonus page creator, this is a convenient tool. If you don't have the desire or the time to do it manually, then you might consider this page creator. I use Commission Gorilla, like I said. It takes me about an hour to set up a bonus page, okay? And I'm getting pretty fast at it, maybe 45 minutes, but it still takes a fair bit of time. And so I picked up this product and I'll be looking at it and talking about it later on down the road. I may do some additional training for you folks if you need it. I'm not just flinging a bunch of crap, right? Whenever I'm setting up bonuses, I'm not flinging a bunch of here's 50 bonuses, right? But they're not really relevant. I like to have focused bonuses, and as you do more of this promotion, you'll think about and you'll focus in on what bonuses are most valuable, right, to your customers, all right, to your clients. I like to usually include $97 to $397 products as bonuses, right? So that are, equally relevant to what we're learning. We want to learn this, and we want to learn this, and then this, So a lot of my stuff has to do with, okay, that's great. You're selling $20 products. How can we sell more expensive products? Or, yeah, that's great. You've got a big buyers list, but they're not buying. How can you convert that list to where you've got hungry buyers, okay? Either with emails or just qualifying buyers, right? So, all right. So also, though I digress. So a bonus page creator will cost you about $97 a year. And for the one that I've got, it's about $170, right? And, you could spend $97 to $297 on ClickFunnels, right? So as a funnel builder. So you've got all of this inside, and you've got hosting included, which is just awesome. So I'm pretty excited about this product and was happy to pick it up. Let's see here. Okay, yeah, I don't need to go on and on about that. License rights cost you $197. You can save $100 on the downsell, right? If you buy it for $97. Sell this as your own, and you'll get 100% commissions if you purchase license rights. Okay, so I love a lot of things about this funnel. And one of the big things is that it has downsell options. So we can save a bunch of money, right? If we select the downsell. So just be heads up on that. So here are some key benefits that may interest you in getting. Live the life you've always dreamed of. Quit your 9-to-5 job, or just don't go back to it after the lockdown. Travel the world and be free. Buy new property and cars. Stack cash or build your bank balance. Secure your children's financial future. Become your own boss and take over. Take control of your own life. Okay, so if this is something that interests you, then click on the links below, any of these red links, Okay, grab your copy before the time expires. All right. Okay, so just a few final thoughts here that I want to leave you folks with. This Magick Funnels has been scientifically built from the ground up to take all the guesswork out of the equation. The done-for-you funnels each include a slick landing page, professional thank you page, and highly relevant top converting affiliate offers. Depending on the OTO you choose, you can pick more affiliate offers and unlimited funnels. Okay, there's unlimited hosting. The standalone funnel creation app replaces your need for expensive page building software. Okay, the included hosting saves you potentially thousands each year because they're doing all the hosting for you. And for you JVs out there who've had difficulty getting approved through JVZoo or Warrior Plus, you've got access now, direct access to ClickBank. And there's a platinum ClickBank affiliate that does the training inside of this module. So you'll have one less hurdle to overcome. Okay, folks, I hope you've enjoyed this review, and please click the subscribe button if you want to see more of reviews like this. I try to review at least a product, depending on what's launching. I try to review at least 3 products a week. Okay, it's Kevin McClenahan at kevinmcclenahan.com here in San Diego. Hope you love the review, and if this is something that you think that you want to add to your arsenal, click on the link below, and we'll see you on the inside. Take good care, and during this lockdown period, everyone be safe. Bye-bye.